What's up, people? It is your girl Alyssa coming to you with a hair video. Look at me with this do-rag on. Girl, I'm looking crazy. But today I'm actually going to cut my hair with some clippers and maybe some scissors, some shears. I have some just to get it a little bit shorter. I cut it with some shears last week and to mold it because it's just a little too long. And I'll just be wanting a short, lay down. Okay, so that's what we're about to do today. I am filming on my iPhone in my bathroom, so hopefully it sounds good and it looks good. Let's go. So this I got from Walmart. It was $20. I would definitely have a link below. And it does have the guards. So the guards is very important because, you know, we not professional over here, so we're gonna need the guards in order to not cut too much. And this is my first time doing this. Wait a minute. Yeah, I am so sore. My workout yesterday was actually hard. So today I'm sore. Oh, I'm just on camera looking crazy. Anyway, y'all know me. Okay. They come with a little pouch and everything. I like that. So there's nothing else in the box. Everything is in this pouch. All of the guards and the actual clippers. Oh, they came with some shears. Okay. But I do have my own that I got from Amazon. They're actually pretty sharp, so I'm gonna use my own. And then it also comes with two little combs, little barber combs. The guard just clip on like that. Now this is the biggest one, so I think it's gonna take off the least amount of hair. Let me see. Like it might not take off nothing in the back. Right. Okay, that's what I thought. Ooh, I gotta make sure I know what I'm doing, child. But I done been to the barber a lot. But you know, I ain't no barber. So that was an 8. An 8 might do something for up here. But let me see real quick. I'm gonna comb my hair out. Just do up here. Nothing. Okay. Let's see this one. Okay, it took off a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna go through my whole head with this number 8 since it ain't taking off a lot. And I guess that way it'll all be like the same length up here, just to start off slow. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Now I feel like everything is like the same length, or at least should be. Okay. Now the back is what really can be shorter. So let me see. The next one up, this is a 6. Ooh, let's try 6. Ooh, yeah. And it did say oil the blades before use, so I just spray oil sheen on them. Okay, I'm start with the back. This is the number 6 guard. Not much happening in the back. Now I think I want to make the back a little bit shorter. So I'm going to go in with another guard. Just on the back. Dang, I got hair all over me. Duh. I got a cape too that I could have put on. But this is my first time. I'll know for next time. Okay, the 4 is the 13 millimeter or 1/2 inch. Okay. I got me a towel on now since I done got hair all over me. Now I'm just going through and kind of like evening it all out, I guess you can say. I wish I had them little shears that look like that and it's like a comb, because that's like to help thin stuff out, but I think I'm gonna go with this. Just go through my hair a little bit because my hair is very thick. And I do want my hair to lay flat. And it be flat, but you know, like, I really feel like in the short hair game, especially the Pixie, it's all in the cut. And I be trying to have like a nice cut. Because I come home and I work out a lot. I have to do my hair sometimes. There's no way I can go to the beauty shop all the time with me going to the gym, you know? So you gotta have like a good cut to be able to come home and really mold your hair if you ain't no professional. Now, I'm about to perm it. So I went ahead and based my scalp with this Hawaiian Silky, this cool scalp base, you know. And I'll be using my usual perm when I perm my hair home, which is this Soft Sheen Carson, what the hell is this? I thought this was Optimum. Oh yeah, Optimum Smooth. I didn't see that big old Optimum on there, but this. Oh, I just looked at the camera and it's like I'm struggling, but baby, I'm trying to get it straight. You hear me? What time is it? It's only been 8 minutes, really 7, because I started at 7:31. I always like to look at the timer because I don't want to leave it in too long, girl. We're not going to be bound yet. Okay, I'm back. I have permed, conditioned my hair, and now we're about to style it. So I'm taking my It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In. I get this from Ulta. I got the big one, y'all, because they had it 50% off. I'm like, period. I'm sure I spray too much of that. And then I do the Mizani Miracle Nourishing Oil. My hair got nice and straight this time. I did go in and cut the back down some more. I went in with guard 3, then 2. And it looked nice. So I'm like, okay, yeah, because it could definitely be a little shorter in the back. And look, it's not even that short, y'all. Like, look, I feel like that's kind of long. But yeah, now we're just gonna style it. Today's foam is gonna be the Influence Rosemary. I get this from my beautician. Period. It's looking nice and laid down, nice and flat. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do like how I want to style it. But to get a really flat mode, I'll go with my hand behind the comb to flatten it out. Okay, so I'm from under the dryer. This is how it's looking. I might go in and curl it a bit, but I mean I can wear it like this outside today if I wanted to. And I feel like it's nice and flat and it looks nice and cute. Okay, so this is me from under the dryer, and I haven't curled it yet. I'm actually not gonna curl it tonight. I'm gonna curl it tomorrow. But it looks really good. The cut is like laying. I do like the little wave so it can get like a little wave. You know what I mean? Like, but sometimes I don't do a wave at all and I'd be like real flat, and I like it like that too. But yeah, it's the back. I feel like it's nice and like soft. I added some oil to it actually. And yeah, this is basically the final look. Thank you so much for watching. If I do curl, I'm gonna use my small little Glam Palm curling irons that I have, and yeah. So I'll show you that in another video. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.